Dang, 429, bro. Ugh. What's up, Barcelinas? We're changing it up. We're leaving from the gas station today. We got to minimize the amount of time that we're in Plano. Freaking cops came calling again. This time they came to my job. And I don't have the kind of job where the cops come looking for people, so it didn't really look good for me at all. And they know I have a channel, but they don't see this as criminal activity, so it didn't make any sense to them why the cops would be coming looking for me. And I'm not 100% sure that they bought that it was over the channel. Because everybody's looking at me sideways now. Which I probably would too, I can't lie. I'd be like, this guy, who's this criminal we work with? The cops are coming to look for. So we got to minimize the amount of time we're in a video in Plano, and really ideally just do the speed limit, which, you know, that's hard. You try doing 30 miles an hour on an FZ10. Wow, it's overcast as crap too. Sorry about that. I think it's probably going to be like this for the next few months, honestly. Slipping, you see that? That traction control is kicking in, boy. Ah. So today we're going to go into a little ride out. It's like a celebration for this young lady hitting 50K subscribers. Her name's Itzy Shoots. I'll put her Instagram up. But she's doing a ride out, so I guess we're going to have us a foggy ride out day. This thing's riding good today, man. It is freaking feeling so good. There's something about these naked bikes, man. My other one does it too. It like feels like it does better on a humid day. I would think dry air would be better for an engine, but oh, there's a fire. Probably somewhere up in that. A bunch of homeless people and stuff live around here. I love the fact that I get to hear that sound pretty much whenever I want. Like, you always want an R1 just so you can hear it, you know? Close enough. Close enough. Bro, I can barely see this phone. I think we're doing the right thing. Oh, look, yep. Yeah, let's go check them all out. What we got? Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, what's up with it? Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, look at everybody. Boop. Hell yeah, bro. Another 10 right there. Yeah, dude, R1. Ninjas and Ducatis. Badass, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Bossolinas. This is gonna be wild, bro. A lot of people here, and a lot of them are rowdy. Look at my guy over here. Badass, dude. I like them yellow rims. Kind of makes me want yellow rims on this thing. Yeah, look at Sully. Sully got him another S1000. He changed the lettering though. He put that white on there, and man, it looks good, bro. Look at this, bro. Somebody went down over here earlier when they were coming in. Dang, bro. Ouch. Ooh, I like my boys' get up, bro. They should look good. Scared the shit out of me. RIP microphone. Especially that one, bro. Holy shit. Bro, no lie, this is so loud in my ears right now. It's crazy. Grim? That's Grimlock right there. He's cool as fuck. Whoa! Ah! Okay. Ah! This is sketchy as fuck, bro. This is sketchy as fuck. This is sketchy as fuck. Oh man, bro, this is the sketchiest group ride I ever been on, and we've been riding for like 10 seconds. Holy shit, bro, this ain't old guy squad today, bro. This is sketchy squad, bro. I got my head on a freaking I got a bobblehead today, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That thing is so loud. Whew. Bro, I couldn't ride that thing. In fact, I want to get away from it. That's my guy, bro. I finally got to meet that dude. You see that guy all the time. Rafa. B mode now, boys. mode. Oh God. Oh my God, dude. Yeah, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go back to standard. Jesus. Even standard mode is insane. This thing's been running about 163 all day too, internal water wise. That's pretty good, man. It's not a very hot day. Yeah, bro. Look at everybody. Hell yeah, bro. That was fun. What's up, Barcelinas? Yo, that was fun, dude. Today was fun. I had a good time, man. Sketchy, bro, but fun. It was like a two-parter. It was like sketchy, and then once we got past everything, it was kind of just chill, but it was badass. But man, we got to see some badass bikes, got to see some people, got to see Sully. Shout out to Itzy Shoots for doing this, man. It's awesome, man. There was a lot of events today, and a lot of people showed up to this one, so that says a lot about her. So, all right, hell yeah, dude. I'll see y'all in a minute. Crooked Barcelona. Yeah. I think he ain't never gonna be the same again, bro. It's done. Oh well. Hell yeah, bro. Today was fun, dude. I'm going home. It looks like we're riding out with them, but everybody's kind of going a separate way, so we're gonna go our separate way back to the house. Whoa! Whoops. I think he just left that on the ground. Oh my gosh! What's up, Ozolinas? Thanks for riding with me today. This was cool, man. Had a good time. Let's see if this thing starts. Yeah, she starts. Alright, back in standard, traction control 3 on. Whew, woo. I don't even know what the speed limit is, bro. I think it's 50 or 40 or something. I think the whole purpose of it is for me to not be doing 120. Is what they want, you know. I don't think they're necessarily looking for perfection. They just want me to stop being stupid. And I can. I'm just born this way. All right, Bossolinas, we're going to shut it down right now so we can stay out of their radar. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out today, man. That was awesome and sketchy and fun and scary and super badass. Got to see a bunch of badass bikes. Got to see a bunch of badass people. And shout out to Itzy. Shout out to Rafa. He was there. Shout out to Sully. And God, I think his name is Matt. Oh man, he had a ZX10 and he wrecked it. Now he's got a trial. Shout out to you, bro. You're fucking cool, man. It was good seeing you. When you do these events, I'm so busy filming, sometimes I don't take a minute to talk to people, you know? Stop and hang out. Make friends, bro. Gotta do that sometimes. Us creators get caught up in having to record everything. Make sure we got batteries and ND filters right. That was our first group ride on this thing, too. All right, Bossolinas, thank y'all again, man. This was fun. Appreciate it. Make sure you, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, bro, because they are not going to tell you when I put out a video. YouTube does not, I'm not one of their darlings. Oh, man. And, join the Discord. And join the Patreon. It's $1, man. It's fun. I post stuff every week. Every Wednesday I put up a Patreon video. Student driver. All right, Bossolinas. Thank you. I love you guys again. Visual Bossolino.